Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I want to show you this cool little toolbox that I picked up and what I'm going to use it for. So this is a cool little toolbox. It opens up. What I really liked is they had like a Cobalt one at Lowe's that was similar, but I don't think the tracks were nearly as nice as this, and it has a little magnet, so this one just seems really high quality. So the reason that I got it was I have a lot of adapters like this that I wanted a place for. So I could put, you know, your 1/2 inch up to 3/4, and I can take these, you know, hangers off them. But I was gonna just have a little drawer that has all the adapters because they're, you know, can go in here and not get lost in the toolbox. So I got adapters in this. Gonna be very useful. Really cool for the price. So this is a good place for all these little adapters that I have that, you know, I'm always digging for them somewhere, so it's nice to have a place for them. So if I know that they're here, I can go for them a lot easier. So I couldn't believe the price on this. This little guy was only $12.99, so $13.87 with tax, but that's a great value for this little thing. So I thought it was really cool. Harbor Freight. I have its big brother here. I just need to organize it and put it somewhere else. It's kind of just sitting over here. Need to put it up a little higher where I can use it.